My name is Megan Nelson. I came to Bethany because I just really felt called to the mission fields in my time at Bethany before internship and also during my time on the field. I was able to get specific strategies for how to educate children. I was so able to take the things that I was learning from my minor and automatically put them into my ministry. In the mornings on Mondays through Thursdays, I got to work at the nursery. One of my favorite kids to work with while I was in Thailand, her name is Bim. She is just adorable. She is very, very smart. I think that one of the most impactful things of working with her was that she really proved me wrong in a lot of my thinking of how far I can get with these kids. I think it can get easy to get into that mindset of, oh, I'm only here for a year. There's only so much I can do, but in all actuality, we can really be used in really big ways. The Lord just gave me such a heart for every single person that I saw while I was at ministry. It was really something that was supernatural. I cannot describe to you the level of love that I have for these people even today. Overall, my time at Bethany was worth it because it has really taught me a lot about the Lord and taught me a lot about the calling that I have from the Lord. But also it's taught me what it means to be a follower of Christ. The things that I'm looking for and the things that I'm desiring have completely changed because my main goal is just to follow Jesus. And so wherever that takes me is wherever that takes me. And I think that that's been the biggest thing that I have taken from my time here.